welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson. Happy New Year! I'm super excited to make it into the year, and I thank God for you as well. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas, Boxing Day, and all the merry things that happened, last year before we crossed over into the new year. So today I'm showing you a new year makeup tutorial, and I'm super excited about this one. So let's just ride into it. And I'll be tapping in some concealer on my eyelid. I'll be using this Rose Gold Remastered palette by Huda Beauty. Using this shade first. Next, I'll be using this color to contour. I'll be going back to this shade. And next, I'll be going to this bright brown to soften the edges of my contour and my transition. And next, I'll be cutting my crease into almost half. Let's just say about half. So I raised the bar eye a bit because of my hooded eyes. So we're just going to wait for it to get a bit dry and then apply eyeshadow. So I'll be using Juvia's Place in Zulu palette, and I'm using this shade. It's like a rose gold, but it also like a burgundy mix inside. I'll be using my brownish burgundy to blend where the eyeshadows meet. And then I'm using these chunky glitters. It's been a while since I used glitters. I have this glitter glue in here. It is a benign glitter glue. It's poured, so I have it in this container. And then I'm using my Broke black pencil. So I just got this waterproof Glam Girls eyeliner, so we're launching it together. I like the fact that it is pointed. Ooh. And I'm using my Zaron Cosmetics mascara. So I'll be using my relining powder in warm 109. And I'll be applying some of my sachet butter under my eyes. Next is my Milani highlighter in Master Chrome. And I'll be using this blush by Classic Makeup USA. Next, I'll be using this Maybelline Super Stay Powder. It is Java 375. It's very dark for contour. I'll be using this Zaron pencil in Cupertino to line my lips. And I'm using this Jordana brown nude color. It is called Sweet Cream Matte. Next is Milani Haute Brûlante. It is a nudish pinkish lipstick. I'll be applying some clear gloss by Classic Makeup. And I just finished this makeup with Rimmel London Setting Spray.